up until recently, the highest flow we had was about 2,300 cubic feet per second. Right now we're at about 17,000 cubic feet a second of water flowing, and with water weighing about 62 pounds per cubic foot, we have more than 500,000 pounds of water going every single second by any given point. So it's 4 times as high as it's ever been.
And where do you get the numbers from?
The U.S. Geological Survey has flow data that they collect, and they give instantaneous reads to it, so I've been following that closely.
Now, have you heard that the measuring stick is underwater for the record?
Yes, I have heard that.
Never seen the Cannon River this high before. I've been here for 43 years. I have seen where the ice is piled up against the bridge in the spring many years ago, and I have seen floods before where it hurt the east side of the river tenants, and I'll tell you, I've never seen it this high before. This is historical, so mark this date down in September. Besides that, it's cold and it's windy, and fortunately we don't have any problems in reference to rescuing people.